price reveal again.
Hey Barter.
What's up, man?
My name's Officer Maglioka, Livermore Police Department. We just got a call about this car kind of driving crazy down Murfreesboro Road. So I'm just checking in with you, see what you guys have going on. You weren't going on the shoulder or anything crazy like that?
No.
I've watched you come down from Metro. I was passed by me when you were in front of McDonald's, and I got caught up in traffic.
Yeah, but now we got stuck.
I know you guys.
Yeah.
They know who it is, Rebuild Pros.
Shit. Driving reckless. Driving reckless.
Yeah, just take it easy, man. Man,
You know what? I hit it right in front of them. Dusted.
Rebuild Pros. You know where to get these hats from. And this is for Heather, Hustler. We're going to have these on our website. Rebuild Pros. What's going on, guys, with another video? This is the price reveal that you guys been waiting for on the BMW M4.
Competition. You missed the competition.
We're gonna give you analysis on the parts that we paid, how much we paid for the car, the shipping costs, and everything. So if one of you guys ever thought about building a car from Mannheim
Or Copart, it doesn't have to
it
be.
doesn't really matter about the auction.
Any auction.
But we bought from Mannheim, so this is the analysis for you guys. How much was the parts that we spend on the M4?
Grand total parts was $8,608.
And that was all OEM, so we didn't use anything from eBay, etc. I'm not saying eBay doesn't sell OEM, we're just saying we went straight to the dealer. How much was shipping?
Shipping was cheap, was $500.
We paid $500 to ship the vehicle from where we bought it. And then how much was the total for the BMW by itself?
You don't even know the grand total of the... You just know how much we spent on parts, but you do not know what was the grand total. But I still think we got a good deal on it.
So, the grand total, guys,
$53,448 and 80 cents.
How much is it BMW if you went to a dealership and just bought it?
We still got a good deal because this car books easy 70,000. Easy books 70,000. So
are you willing to sell it to a subscriber?
we're about to put it's up for grabs. If anybody wants to grab it, you're more welcome to contact us, email us, whatever you want. We're gonna put all the information down below. We'll let it go for, I mean, I'm not too greedy. I say 60,000. We'll let it go. That's a couple grand in our pockets.
For $60,000, Rebuild Pros M4 competition can be yours. Just contact us at the email below.
You know, we would have had more than this if we would have bought it from Copart. You know why?
Because the fees.
Their fees are so damn high.
Please, just help them on the fees. We'll come back and buy from you guys.
We're still buying from Copart. Don't get us wrong. We're still right. She's up for grabs.
Man, we did this rebuild so fast. Now we need another one. Him are thinking about it. He just asked me. I don't even know what to rebuild next.
I got one.
You got one?
We already got a next rebuild.
Like you bought one?
I already bought one today.
On what?
Copart. Yeah.
What is it?
I can't tell you. You just gotta wait. Surprise. I can't tell you all that.
Is it a German?
No, it's not a German. To come in.
I guess he wants to surprise me like he wants to surprise you guys. I guess I have to wait for the next video. We'll tune in on Rebuild Pros. Man, him and his surprises, man. I wonder what it is. We're gonna show you guys footage in this video, rolling shots, drone shots. We even hired a photographer at 615sam_ help us record it. So thank you guys for tuning in. For everybody that supported, we're at about 450 subscribers, about to hit 500. Let's try to hit that mark. We're at 500,000 views. We appreciate everybody that supports us. We will be having these hats on our website. That's the black version, guys. It'll be on our website, so all you gotta do is buy it and wear it and support us. Thank you guys for watching, and now tune in to the drone shots.